What is going on, you guys? Alex here with Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. Today I want to introduce you to our tire totes, and these are going to be great for transporting and storing an extra set of wheels and tires for your Tesla. These are going to work on the factory Tesla wheels and tires, as well as Sportline wheels and tires. And the main goal of this is to provide a product that allows you to cleanly and easily transport and store your tires. They have a handle on it to make for easy transportation with one person. You can carry it by the handle, and this is also going to make transportation a clean job, whether you're putting these in your car or in your house for storage. Now today we're going to show you how you can install these and store these on your set of wheels and tires. Okay, now let's actually cover installing these on your wheels and tires. With the handle side of the tote out, we're going to want to find the exposed side of the Velcro, and we're going to go ahead and put this on the tire first. I'm just going to wrap it around, get it underneath the bottom, and I'm just going to let it roll like this to where I can connect both sides of the Velcro. Now we're all the way under the bottom, and I'm just going to stretch this over and connect the Velcro, and it is simple as that. So as you can see, pretty easy to do with one person. Now you got this handle here, you can pick this up, put this in the back of your vehicle or in your basement for storage. So that is going to do it for us today. As always, if you want to check this out for yourself, you can do that at tsportline.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like, and if you're not already, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.